Regret can be a powerful emotion, especially when someone realizes that they've lost something valuable, like you. If you want someone to regret losing you, the key is to make them realize what they've lost and create the psychological condition where they feel that the loss is irreplaceable. Here's how to make someone regret losing you. Step 1. Be irreplaceable. When you become someone's irreplaceable source of support, happiness, and emotional fulfillment, they'll start to realize your value only once you're gone. You can make yourself irreplaceable by being a consistent source of comfort, showing empathy, and being the person who always has their back. When they lose that, they'll be faced with the realization that they can't easily find someone like you. Step 2. Create distance and mystery. Once you've made yourself indispensable, withdraw emotionally for a while. Start by becoming less available, emotionally distant, and slightly mysterious. When someone realizes that you're no longer there, they'll feel the void you left behind. This creates a sense of loss and regret, especially when they start to realize that they took your presence for granted. The key is to give them the space to miss you without completely shutting them out. Step 3. Let them see what they're missing. In some cases, making them regret losing you means showing them what they're missing. After a period of withdrawal, subtly let them see how well you're doing on your own. When they see that you're thriving without them, their fear of losing you forever will trigger feelings of regret and longing. They'll begin to realize they've lost someone truly valuable. By becoming irreplaceable, creating distance, and letting them see what they're missing, you can make someone regret losing you. Stay happy until we meet again. Subscribe for more helpful tips.